Choose your adventure. Click here to find all the good nights, or click over here to find only 2 good nights. Hello there! Look out! This adventure started when these guys, King McBeard's bad brother, King Smudge, and his band of naughty knights showed up. They climbed up to the castle while we were in the throne room. Suddenly, these bullies attacked us, took over the castle, and kicked me and the king's good knights out. Bad King Smudge stole King McBeard's crown and threw him into the dungeon. King McBeard was left all alone. The kingdom was in an awful mess, so I went to Macduff for help. Macduff, I'm Jester, the king's helper. Macduff, you must find King McBeard's knights and rescue him from the castle dungeon. Here, show the knights this royal seal, and they will follow you.
Have no fear. I will find the good knights and rescue King McBeard. Where did he go?
Jester! Hello again. If you need me for help, click on the hat over here. Good luck!
Ladies and gentlemen, the tournament is about to begin!
Wow, a tournament. Maybe I can find a good knight there.
You need to find all the good knights before you can attack the castle.
Hello!
He can't hear Macduff because it's too loud. You must find enough good knights so the blacksmith will hear them.
I'm Macduff.
Step right up and get a good knight the whole family will love.
Good knights? I need to go to the marketplace. Did you see 2 naughty knights chasing a good knight?
Oh, the king's royal seal. Oh, there is a knight hiding in a secret place. To find him, you must first find the missing stones, and then fit them into the right spots, above the fireplace.
I wonder where those stones are hiding. That will work.
It doesn't fit there.
That stone won't fit above the fireplace. Looks like it should fit.
Better try a different spot.
We need that stone. Jackpot!
Oh, you did it!
Oh, I hate when that happens.
I'm Macduff. Who are you that is belcheth from the mouth of a wall-mounted boar?
I'm the good knight, Sir Mount, and I bet you can't do this.
Magnificent! You must help me rescue King McBeard from the castle dungeon.
Count me in.
Goodbye, McFadden. We're on a rescue mission.
Good luck rescuing the king, laddies.
I'll wait at the blacksmith's until you find all the knights.
Where can the other knights be?
Step right up and get a good knight the whole family will love.
Good night. I need to go to the marketplace. Yuck, a slimy squid.
Trade that slimy squid at one of the tents. Keep trading until you get the knight. Good luck.
I've got to trade this squid right now.
I got the best bowling balls in the kingdom.
Knights, get your red-hot knights right here.
I got a boombox you can't live without.
Now you too can have that brand new squid you always dreamed of, right here.
I've got salamis. They're dandy, delectable, delightful, and downright delicious.
Bowling ball.
Care to trade?
Yeah, sure.
Cool.
You want to buy my boombox?
Housebroken squids.
I'll give you this for that.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you.
Step right up and get your scrump.
Care to trade?
Yeah, sure.
Cool.
get the knight of your dreams. Knights, get your red-hot knights right here. What a beautiful salami.
Help me rescue King McBeard from the castle dungeon.
Ah, the royal seal. I will be honored to help.
Go to the blacksmith's and wait for me there.
Adios.
Hello? Hello?
I am Eli, the kingdom's greatest wizard. A good knight is hidden here. Play on my magic crystals, and he will appear. Can you repeat this sound? Good. Now try these two after me. Good. If you get the next 3 crystals, I'll give you the good night.
Awesome! Here's your good night.
I'm McWhiz. Look what I can do. Oh.
Very funny.
The royal seal. The king must have sent you. Well, let's go.
Thanks, Eli.
You bet.
I'll be at the blacksmith's until you need me.
Where can the other knights be? Wow, look at that whirlpool. Groovy. Who did that? Wow, an owl. Thanks for the pie, lady. Check out the monkey.
Voila!
And you are?
I am the good knight, Sir Cyclone.
Sir Cyclone, join me on my mission to rescue King McBeard from the castle dungeon.
You got ID? The royal seal. Of course, I, Sir Cyclone, shall assist you with my special skill.
Smashing!
I'll spin off to the blacksmith's and wait for your return.
The tournament is about to begin.
I almost forgot about the tournament. Let's go! Awesome! Look at the size of that mouth.
Let the games begin. Gentlemen, hit the target twice to win. Select a cannonball and then choose a number on the cannon to fire. Ready? Go!
Cannonball number 2.
Good thinking. Yes! Number 1, Cannon Boy.
Cannonball number 2.
Good choice.
Excellent.
We have a winner.
I never win. Never, never, never.
You're pretty good with that cannon.
Thank you, and who are you?
I'm Sir Shield in Hand.
I need your help to rescue King McBeard from the castle dungeon.
It's the Royal Seal. I'm in your command. I'll hang out at the blacksmith's until you need me.
I have one more knight to find. Where can he be?
Try asking the blacksmith.
No need to shout. When did you all get here?
Sir Blacksmith, we're on a mission to rescue King McBeard. Have you seen the last good knight here? Wait, where are you going?
I'll be back. I'm Sir Listalot, the buff, King McBeard's strongest knight.
Ah, the last good knight. All right. Everybody ready?
Ready, sir.
No, you're not. You're all missing half your shields, chaps. Keep your armor on. I'll get the other shield halves for you. This suits Sir Cyclone.
Sorry, partner, wrong choice. I'm Sir Shield in Hand.
I'm McWhiz.
Signor, I am Elasto.
I'm Sir Mount, the super climber.
Yes! This looks like it belongs to McWhiz.
No, 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 not mine.
Good one! This shield half matches Sir Mount's. Good match! This must be Elasto's. Nice one! This be Sir Shield in Hands. That's better! To the castle! Company, halt! Men, stand by to attack the castle! Sir Liftalot, stop those boulders!
Good thing I'm pumped up.
Excellent, Buff Knight. Surmount, climb the walls and lower the bridge.
You're in my way, weasel! Come on, laddies!
Sir Cyclone, blow him away.
Oui, oui, I am there.
Slime 'em!
Sir Shield in Hand, shield us from that slime.
Here goes.
McWhiz, whiz into the castle. Elasto, charge ahead and meet me at the castle dungeon.
I'll see you inside, Macduff.
Ready or not, here I come.
Not ready, not ready. I'm out of here, Queen Smith.
King Smudge, give us the key to the dungeon. McWhiz, zap King Smudge with your mightiest magic.
How about that? But we still need the key.
Fear not, good knights. Elasto, the king is waiting. You are the key to opening the dungeon.
I would be honored.
We did it!
Macduff and the good knights freed the king! Macduff returned the crown to King McBeard's head. King McBeard was so grateful, he knighted Macduff. We celebrated our victory!